I can't believe Boomerang Bro got sucked into the vacuum cleaner. What should I do to free him? I know. I will go to his house and get it out of the vacuum cleaner. There's the vacuum cleaner. Now I get Boomerang Bro out of the vacuum cleaner. Go animate logic activate.
Yay! I have been freed from the vacuum cleaner by you. Thank you, Rosie.
You are welcome, Boomerang Bro.
You just freed Boomerang Bro from the vacuum cleaner. Oh 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 oh. How dare you? That's it. Rosie. Go home now while I call your parents.
Wow.
Hello. Rosie's parents. Your daughter just freed my son Boomerang Bro from the vacuum cleaner. Ground her for this, please. Okay. Thanks. Bye-bye. And Boomerang Bro. You are grounded for 2,000 years for being freed by Rosie. Go to your room right now, and I will tell your father about this when he gets home.
Wow.
Rosie. We can't believe you freed Boomerang Bro from the vacuum cleaner. You know that Boomerang Bro is a very bad boy for sucking people into the vacuum cleaner. That's it. You are grounded for 381 centuries.
Go to your room right now and never ever come out, or else we will call Swab William Sio to come over here to teach you a lesson just like Lumpy Toasters did to you.